For thousands of years, when the ground shook, it wasn't science. It was the wrath of the gods. Temples crumbled, rivers changed course, and the emperor, the son of heaven, believed he had lost the mandate of heaven. An earthquake wasn't just a disaster, it was a cosmic punishment. Chaos reigned. Fear was the only law. Until one man decided to stop looking at the sky and start listening to the earth. His name was Zhang Heng. The year was 132 AD. While Europe was still centuries away from the scientific method, Zhang Heng was mapping the stars. He was a mathematician, a poet, an engineer, the Leonardo da Vinci of the East. He didn't believe in angry dragons under the mud. He believed in physics. He knew that the earth shook due to unseen forces, waves of energy that traveled faster than a horse. He needed a machine to catch them. So, he secluded himself in his workshop and built something the world had never seen. It was called Houfeng Didong Yi, the instrument for measuring the seasonal winds and the movements of the earth. It looked like a large wine vessel, but look closer. 8 dragons facing the 8 directions of the compass. Each dragon held a small bronze ball in its mouth, waiting patiently, and below them, 8 open-mouthed toads. Dragons and toads, heaven and earth. It was a masterpiece of art. But inside, it was alien technology. No electronics, no sensors. Just a central pillar, a pendulum, suspended in perfect balance. The genius was in the sensitivity. When the earth moved, even slightly, the vessel would move, but the pendulum would stay still. This relative motion triggered a lever, a mechanism so precise it could detect a quake hundreds of miles away, opening the jaw of just one dragon, dropping the ball. For months, the machine sat silent. The court scholars laughed. They called it a toy, until one quiet afternoon, no shaking was felt in the capital. Suddenly, clang. The sound echoed through the hall. The dragon facing west had dropped its ball. Zhang Heng announced, "An earthquake in the west." They thought he was crazy. No one felt a thing. 3 days later, a rider arrived, covered in dust. He brought news from the Longxi region. A massive earthquake had devastated the west, exactly when the ball had dropped. Silence fell over the court. It wasn't magic. It was data. Zhang Heng had invented the first seismoscope, 1,700 years before Europe built one. The original design was lost to time, but the idea shook the world. The dragon detector.